Another product that we manufacture and has been very popular is the all lead, 100% lead vent. Now these can be used for two methods. One, to connect appliances to as bathroom extractors, kitchen extractors and that type of thing. And also, without the pipe on, it can be used just to ventilate the roof. We're going to fit this for you in this existing roof here. Before we go too far, we want to know what pieces we need to cut out and pieces we don't need to cut out. Normally with this, you normally have to cut a batten. If you place the front here in line with the bottom of that course, and then the centre of that, mark the slate or the batten, and likewise, if it's going in at that position there, take that line. That will give you the centre line of the pipe as it passes through the roof. And what I suggest is you take an area out, give it a bit of leeway, you don't want anything too tight, so that you've got a little bit of movement. Because a natural product as slate, it has to move a quarter of an inch or so, just to 10 mil or whatever, just to fit in with the courses. Or sorry, the cross I've put in, which is the centre of the pipe. And as you can see from that, we need to cut some batten away and some slate away, and that's what we're going to show you now. What we're doing now, we're going to cut the batten out. Don't use your best saw because it cuts the edge of the slate, so you'll find that the saw will be a stunt. So you're just cutting the slate part out you want, and then we'll drop him in position. There you are. So we've made the hole ready to receive the spigot, and we just put him in position, line him up. Everything's looking good. Using lead as opposed to plastic vents, they follow the undulations of the slates. They're a lot easier to work with, and the men that are doing the slating or tiling are familiar with lead. They've got the tools to cut it should they need to and dress it, so there's nothing that's going to be peculiar to them, and it saves sinking time. As you can see now, the vent is in. That's all it is now, is a question of cutting the slates round the vent. Go for it. What we're doing now, we're going to cut these slates and match them to the angle of the vent. And what you do, you put one in position over the existing slate, another slate of the same gauge up against that angle, and the line you have is the line that you want to cut. Okay, once you've cut that, that can then be fitted. Making sure that you don't put any nails through really close to the open end. And as with the vent, took the slates out, marked where the hole was, cut the batten away, put the vent in, reslated it. We also use the lead slates, or sorry, we also make lead slates which are fitted in exactly the same way.